Let us now do the numerical based on conversion of one system into another. Here the question is convert 1 Newton into dyne. Means 1 Newton is equal to how much dyne? Here we can easily understand that Newton is measured in MKS system, while dyne is the CGS unit of force. It means we have to convert from MKS system to CGS system. Clearly here this number 1 represents the numerical value, that is N1. But we have to calculate what? N2. N2 we don't know what is it. Right, now two things are clear, that we have to convert the system from MKS to CGS and we have to find out N2. Now also this formula is for the physical quantity force. So force can be written as mass into acceleration. So mass L T minus 2 acceleration. So clearly A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1 and C is equal to minus 2. If we compare it, M1, M raised to power A, L raised to power B and T raised to power C. Clearly, now U1 is equal to M1 raised to power A, L1 raised to power B and T1 raised to power C. It will be in MKS system. So M1 will be 1 kg, L1 will be 1 meter and T1 is equal to second. We know that in MKS system time is in second always. U2 is M2 raised to power A, L2 raised to power B, T2 raised to power C. Here since U2 is in CGS, so M2 is equal to 1 gram, L2 is equal to 1 centimeter and T2 is equal to 1 second. Now putting all these value in this equation, N2 we can find out. N1 is 1 Newton. M1 is 1 kg upon gram raised to power A. Value of A is 1. L1 is 1 meter and L2 is 1 centimeter raised to power B. B is 1. T1 is second and T2 is again second raised to power C. C is minus 2. Now we can solve it. Here 1 kg can be written as 10 raised to power 3 gram raised to power 1. 1 centimeter can be written as 10 to power 2 centimeter upon centimeter. And 1 second upon 1 second raised to power minus 2. So gram se gram cancel, centimeter se centimeter cancel and second se second cancel. So what we left with? We left with here from this 10 raised to power 3 raised to power 1, 10 raised to power 2 raised to power 1 and 1 raised to power minus 2. So solving this becomes 10 raised to power 5. So N2 we calculated here is 10 raised to power 5. Therefore 1 Newton is equal to 10 raised to power 5 dyne. So this is how we have calculated. We have converted one system of unit into another. So we have just followed up these steps.